I've got mail.
What's up there, everybody? Got some mail today. Gonna open it for you. This is from Paul Cumber from Wisconsin. He's been saying he's gonna send me something. That's awesome. Let me look in here. We have a self-addressed stamped envelope, looks like. Let me see, there's a letter in here. I got a letter. So let me pull this out here. Oh wow. Paul got me some cool stuff. Let me move my keyboard. Let me get it out of the way here. Then I can pull this around and let's see if we can get the overhead on here and see what we've got here. Put the envelope aside for the self-addressed stamped envelope. Let me hit the overhead. No, that don't work. Let me see here. Overhead. There we go. Let's pull it back some. And maybe that'll work. Let's see. Oh, it's right in front of my face. You wouldn't know, right? Let's do it down here. Do it down here so you can see this mess I have. Alright, so we have a keychain. Let me see if I can get it. I can't even get it in here. What's the deal? Come on. It's a keychain that says Kuntry 3D on it. That is friggin' awesome. We have a... Check it out. It's a download tag. That's friggin' awesome too. Bat logo. Check that out. Oh, sorry. Trying to get it right. Bat logo. Nice. Oh. This is a dragon. It looks like, what's that? Toothless? It looks like the little Toothless from the dragon thing. It's got all the supports on it. I have to clean that up and see how that looks. Super Dad. I don't know if I got Toothless. I wasn't looking at the thing. I was looking at the thing. Super Dad. That's awesome. And right here. Paul's 3D printing. I guess that would be his maker coin. That's awful big maker coin. That thing's big. Look at. I don't know if you can. Here. Look. This way. It's awful big. That's pretty nice there, Paul. Let me turn this overhead off so I can read this letter. Get out of the way, camera. Alright. Come in. I'm filming mail. This country sneaking in here. Let me read this. How are you doing? I'm doing just fine. It's nice to meet you. 2. I'm sending you my maker coin. It's in Army Green PLA and printed you a Super Dad in PLA yellow. Then I made you a keychain in Tinkercad as well. I hope you don't mind at all. The Batman in PLA Army Green. The download in just green PLA. Hope you like the stuff I 3D print for you. All on my monoprice mini MP Select Mini 3D printer that I have over 5 months now. Can you send me a sticker? Thank you for being my friend. May God bless you and your wife as well. Take care, my new friend on YouTube. Keep up the good work too. P.S. The Dragon in Yellow PLA. Your friend, Paul Cumber. And Paul Cumber, that is an absolute fact, my friend, that you will be getting a sticker. They're over there, so I can't grab one and go, you'll get a sticker like Joel. But I have your envelope. As soon as I turn these cameras off, I'm going to step right there. I'm going to grab the stickers. I'm going to put them in here. And thank you, my friend, for everything that you sent me. That is so awesome that you took the time to send me the things that you did. The Super Dad, the keychain, the Batman, the download I love. I will take that to work and I will hang that in my pod. And it looks like I said, this looks like a little Toothless that I need to remove the supports off of. But thank you, my friend, and I hope to see you online. And maybe one day we'll meet in person. Thank you very much, Paul Cumber. And we'll see you in just a minute. Alright, here we are, another segment of Mail Thing Thursday. I got a package I wasn't expecting. Just got Walt on it. But it's from Mr. Christopher Riley. And it looks like it's half open. Oh, wow. I got some benchies. 3 benchies here. Let's see what we got here. What does this say? This says the Ender 2, the Mark II, and the Ender 3. And looking at them, the Ender 2 and the Mark II beat the Ender 3 hands down. And the Ender 3 is actually better than that's the Ender 3, the Mark II, and the Ender 3. And this one actually broke, Chris. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy, it broke. Let's see what else he's got in here. There's some more stuff in here. See what else is in here. Uh-oh, there's more benchies. Got one from the Robo, which looks really nice. A nice benchy from the Robo. And this one is off of a X1. And that one's not good. That one's not good at all. And then this one is, I don't have a clue. He didn't write on the bottom of this one. But it's kind of stringy. But, alright. So I have a collection of Chris Riley benchies. That's all that's in there. But there's still more. Let's see what else is in here. What else did I get? What else did Mr. Riley send me? Let's see what else we got. Looks like a swag pack. That's exactly what this looks like. Oh wow. These are heavy. Very heavy. Packaged really well though. Sweet. I don't know if I'll read. I'll look in a second and see if this is readable. If there's anything on it. I got a coaster from Chris Riley. Those are friggin' cool, man. Look at that. And that's ceramic. And you can hear that. And then felt on the back. You can hear that too. That is a Chris Riley coaster. Guess what? That's what I will use to put my drink on right there. Let's see if there's anything said in here. Use it. Chris, don't use the invisible ink, man. I can't deal with the invisible. I can't read invisible ink. That's it. I have to say, thanks, Chris, man. That was unexpected. I do appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot, man. Thank you very much. And we'll see you in a little bit. All right. Well, it's late Wednesday night. We did our interview with Ricky Tanner, and I got some mail today. I normally don't do it. If I get it on Wednesday, I let it lay until the next Thursday. But since I hadn't put this dadgum video together, might as well go ahead and open it, right? I can find my knife. I swear the cats got in here and knocked everything everywhere last night. I don't never leave this door open, but I guess it did. This is from 3D Printing Llama. And we're gonna see what we got here. He's got it all packed up. Let's see what we got. Well, he sent me the sale paper. Let me see. Is it a lawnmower? Heck no, it's a car. I don't need no car. Thank you anyway, Tom. Oh, check him out. Let me put that over there. Let me keep the, oh dear Lord of mercy. Well, there is there's my daughter, 2 halves with her ponytail in the back. Let me see what we got going on here. I want to make sure there ain't nothing in none of the paper. I don't think so. What's going on? Where's this from? This is from, it's a New England Newspaper of the Year. How about that? I might read that later. That'd make some good bathroom reading. Look at there. Look at that. That's me. See the resemblance? Got one there. Check him out. That looks like some polyalchemy elixir right there. That's that nightshade. That stuff is awesome. Some awesome filament right there. Wait. This one. That, if I ain't mistaken, that's some protopasta right there. That's the, what is that? Empire Galactic purple. Is that it? Is that how you say it? How you say it? Hold on, let me read it and I'll tell you. Uh-oh. It is, yeah, metallic purple Galactic Empire. That's it. I can't never remember the whole name. They make it too long. Right there. That, if I ain't mistaken, looks like the Joel Telling prototype. I'm not sure. I have no idea. This is another polyalchemy, it looks like. Another shiny one. Man, I just got a whole bunch of them now. That's it. Well, Mr. Llama, we're going to set some of these back here. That's just ridiculous. I'm going to take some of them, a couple of them to work tomorrow. That's crazy. I like the little Buddha. I like the little Buddha. Mine's over there on the floor somewhere where the cats knocked it off. I had to set my table back up and everything. But Tom, I want to say thank you. Once again, this will be the last segment of Mail Thing Thursday for this week. This is it'll be 8/16 of 2018. But I'll see you in just a second for the ending. Now we'll just shoot it now. Had a couple segments before. This is the third segment of it. You saw what I got from Chris, and you saw what I got from Paul Cumber, and I appreciate all of it too. You know, I still got it laying right here, Paul. There's your keychain you sent me, and the bat symbols right here. Some of Chris's stuff that he sent me, well, the benchies went flying. There's a couple of them here, but the cats knocked them off, of course. I have been using my coaster ever since I got it. It's been sitting right there, and I hadn't been able to show it to y'all, but now I can. But anyway, thank you for all the stuff you send me. If you send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, Paul Cumber, yours will be going in the mail. I've got another package I need to get out that I still haven't gotten out. I'm hoping that I'll get it out Monday because Saturday we're out of town helping my daughter move in. Thank you, Kuntry Club, and I'm Walter, and this is Kuntry 3D.